Sadao saw terror in the eyes of Hana and he became really disturbed. So he decided that he would go to the general and tell him everything. He didn't want Hana to be anxious all the time. Of course, the general said weakly. The general had become very weak because of his health conditions. I understand fully, but that is because I once took a degree in Princeton. So few Japanese have. Like few more Japanese, he had also taken a degree in Princeton University. He had also been in America. So the general said that because he had also stayed with Americans, he could understand why Sadao saved the life of the prisoner of war. I care nothing for the man, Excellency, Sadao said, but having operated on him with such success, and then he could not complete his sentence. Sadao made it very clear to him that he cared nothing for him. It was not that he was an American, he saved his life. So he wanted to tell him that he didn't care anything for him. Excellency is a title or form of address given to certain high officials of state. Yes, the general said. Sadao further said that, but having operated on him with such success, he wanted to say that he had got success by operating upon him because he was quite near to his death and he did a good job, and because of that, and then he wanted to say something further but he stopped. Maybe he wanted to say that because now the American was doing well, so he should not be killed or something like that. But he could not complete his sentence. Yes, the general said. It only makes me feel you more indispensable to me. Evidently, you can save anyone. You are so skilled. He praised him. He said it was clearly seen that he could save anyone. He was so proficient in his field, such an accomplished expert that he could save anybody's life. So that made him more indispensable to the general. He told him straight away that he was absolutely necessary for him. Sadao was absolutely necessary for the general for the sake of his health. You say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today? He asked about his health condition, whether he would be able to survive the next attack. Not more than one, Sadao said. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you. Then he told Sadao straight away that he would not allow anything to happen to him, to Sadao. Why? He was thinking about himself only. The general had his own worries also. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you, the general said with anxiety. His long pale, because otherwise Sadao would be called a traitor. He would be punished. Maybe he would be condemned to death. But general told him that he would not allow anything to happen to him because of his own sake. His long pale Japanese face became expressionless, which meant that he was in deep thought. He went into deep thought. He started thinking what to do. And his face became expressionless. You cannot be arrested, the general said. And when he spoke, he said that he could not allow Sadao to be arrested. Closing his eyes, he was still thinking. He evaluated all the pros and cons and he decided that it would not be good for his health if Sadao would get arrested. Suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation. There are other surgeons, Excellency, Sadao suggested. The general was worried about his own health much more than Sadao. He could not let Sadao get punished for his own sake. But Sadao suggested him, there are other surgeons. None I trust, the general replied. The best ones have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I died. I do not care for the point of view. He sighed. Now he had considered Germans as cruel people, having no sentimentality, no attachment with anyone. So he didn't trust the surgeons trained by the Germans at all. It seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. Now he was telling this to Sadao, that pointing towards him only, that Sadao could not combine these two qualities. Germans' ruthlessness, that is being stone-hearted, totally heartless, merciless, and the American sentimentality. He had considered Americans as sentimental people, emotional people. So he told Sadao that Japanese could not have the combination of German ruthlessness and American sentimentality. Then you could turn your prisoner over to execution, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. The general laughed. He had an unusual sense of humor. It was a very unusual joke. He laughed at his own joke. He told Sadao, in a way, jokingly, that he should have been merciless for the prisoner of war and sentimental for the general. He wanted him to have the combination of both, being cruel as well as sentimental at the same time. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? He called those two elements foreign elements because he considered Germans as ruthless people and Americans as sentimentals. Sentimental means tender-hearted, emotional people. Sadao smiled. "I am not quite sure," he said, "but for your sake I would be willing to try, Excellency." That means the general told him that he wanted these two elements in Sadao. So Sadao understood and he said he was not very sure, but he would try to do that. He would try to help him kill the American man also, who was at his home, as well as not take any revenge from the general. He would be absolutely loyal to him, would save his life when needed.